kò ṣe bí àmọ́ tough mi kò like cheating. Mi like cheating fún àgàgà ọmọdé. Mi like cheating. Mi like kí àgbàlagbà ọkùnrin kó máa fẹ́ lo ipá láti lè bá ọmọ kékeré lájọṣepọ̀. Èmi ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí. Kò dìgbà tí ó bá tó wọlé sí ọmọ yẹn lára. Kò kọ̀ tẹ̀ mọ́ ọmọ yẹn ń bá wọn ṣe àwọn eré kan tí kò yẹ kó máa bá ṣe. Èmi ò lọ́wọ́ sí. Mi ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí. Ṣé understand? So mo dẹ̀ wò pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí a ní láti mọ kúnlẹ̀kúnlẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Ìjà yẹn ò bá máa pọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí social media but mọ̀ mo rí pé àwọn Yomi fẹ́ máa gbé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn gba another narrative. Èmi ò dẹ̀ like irọ́. Èmi ò ń parọ́.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi, àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tí ó ṣẹ̀ sọ nígbà tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà tí ó jáde ní inú ẹ̀wọ̀n o, àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tí ó sọ níwọ̀nyí. Ó ní kì í ṣe pé òun dájú tàbí òun ìṣìyàn dáadáa. Ó ní ṣùgbọ́n ó ní òun fẹ́ràn èèyàn jẹ àti wípé ó ní ìdí tí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn fi lọ báyẹn. Ó ní àwọn Yomi Fábíyì ó ní wọ́n fẹ́ máa gbé ọ̀rọ̀ náà gba ibòmíì. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbádùn ọ̀rọ̀ náà títí dé ìparí.
Bó bá ṣe rí ni mo ṣe máa sọ. Ṣé understand? So bó ṣe rí làwa ṣe ń sọ. Dó àwọn kan sọ pé torí pé jẹ́ colleague mi wẹ́ ká fi aṣọ bò. Àwọn kan tí àwọn bàbá wa àti ìyá wa ti ń ṣe tipẹ́tipẹ́ nìyẹn. Tó ṣe ń gba ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọkùnrin tí kò ṣe gbogbo ọkùnrin o. Àwọn ọkùnrin díẹ̀ láti máa ṣàṣemáṣe.
Okay, so this video is for my colleagues in the Yoruba industry. We all heard what happened to Baba IJESHA about the rape issue. And since yesterday or so, I've been seeing a lot of posts, people using Baba IJESHA's pictures and writing stuff. Some are saying he was framed. Some are saying we should wait. Some are saying this and that. I just want to beg my colleagues, please, in no way should we try to defend him. Because this is one of the reasons why a lot of girls that are being molested, a lot of boys that are being molested and raped. Because not only a girl child gets raped, a boy child too gets raped. This is the reason why a lot of them don't come out to voice their opinion. Most especially if they've been molested or raped by a prominent person or a known person or someone in power or a popular person. We always have this thing about, why did she say that? Maybe because she was this way, or because the mother did not do it. We always try to look for an excuse. There is no excuse for rape. There is no excuse for molestation. There is no excuse. A pedophile is a pedophile. He doesn't need any excuse to rape. Okay, so wait. I am not judging him yet. I'm not calling him a pedophile yet. But I have heard the story. Right? He molested the child and raped the child 7 years ago. Like the child said. He was invited over. They set him up by putting a camera. And eventually, he fell. Right? Why did he fall? That's the question number one. Number two. Yes, we cannot judge him now because you know why? We have to leave that to the courts to do. The judges to do. So until we wait for the final verdict, until we wait to listen to everything that goes on in the courts back and forth, please do not ask them to post that video because a minor is involved. A 14-year-old girl is involved in that picture. And if you are a mother or a father, I don't think you want your child's video where she is being molested parading the internet. I don't think you want that because Yabo, calm down. Are you listening to me? So do not ask for that. He's arrested. He's been detained, right? If you want to know information of where he is, it's very simple. You can go there. You can get a lawyer. you can send a lawyer down. You can go there yourself. You can find out what is going on. But don't come on social media and say because we are celebrities, you are trying to repair some image. If you are a celebrity, and you're an adult, my dear, and you did not think of your status before you committed such a crime, you're on your own. I don't support rubbish. I am a mother, and I will not support any rubbish. And it's annoying when I see people come on social media and they're trying to defend and saying he was set up, blah, 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 blah. Excuse me. There is a 14-year-old girl involved. Are you guys okay? Can you people just be okay for once? And please stop comparing Baba Sue's case to this case. It's two different things. Eje kama yara wani brain. Eje kama yara wani brain. I'm doing this video because I'm seeing a lot of my colleagues in the Yoruba industry, you know, trying kind of to defend and say it was set up. Please, Joe, if you don't know the story, go and find out about the story. Are you understanding me? Because any to support you look about what shape for me. But by there, you know what shape for me. They want rape for Agbalagba now. She understand? So, Joe, be about fuck up. Eje come up fuck up. Festus,
Yomi, Fabi, I saw your write-up and I really laughed, honestly. Morene Gonio, I don't understand your write-up. You said I used to be nice, so just because I chose and decided to stand with that young girl and princess, I am not nice anymore, Abi. But you are nice. You put my name on placard and said I will keep Baba Jesha if he comes out. I still need you to provide the footage or video where I opened my mouth and said I would keep Baba Jesha. You didn't do me no wrong, Abi. You're so right and so perfect, right? And then you said, I don't know what your write-up was all about, but excuse me, boy, I have peace. I have so much peace that you may not even understand. So whatever you write up and that my picture that you put on your pages, I don't know, maybe you need more followers, you need more, you know, I don't know what you want. You know, you told me that